Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2019 Ford Transit Connect 2.0 right now. I'm doing the oil change service on this right now. Let me show you. The oil's pretty dirty. It's black. It's halfway. But now you're gonna remove the engine cover on the bottom right here, and then you're gonna get to the drain bolt right here. It's a 15 millimeter. Ooh, it's dirty. And then for the filter, it's right in the front. Let it drain out. So everything is completely drained out. For the new filter, I put a little bit of oil on the gasket so it sits better. Wipe the spot right here, put the new one in. Hand tighten, not too crazy. There you go. And then for the drain bolt, bring the tie in. So this is tight, just snug it a little bit. That's it. And then wipe the spot, put the cover back. For the oil grade, this one takes 520. So at the time I don't have 520, I have 530 synthetic here. I'm gonna put in 5 quart and then check it. So I put in 5 quarts already, and I'm gonna check it with the dipstick. I don't know if you can see it right above the high mark a little bit. And then once you turn on the car, the filter is gonna take it down to the high mark right here. So this is perfect. I have the key on. I'm gonna reset the oil light. So you're gonna toggle through your menu, go to the setting right here, press the 3 line right here, and then press OK. Oil life, you're gonna get to oil life right there. Press it again and then hold OK to reset. Reset successful. There you go. 100. Turn off the key, turn it back on. So that's it, guys. Just a oil change and oil reset for the Ford Transit Connect. You guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.